this, our last video, we're just going to go over some things to help you tidy up Facebook and get it performing to its peak. One thing that you want to do in your Facebook account is create a group page. The group page is very easy to manage. It allows you to do a whole lot of hands-on kind of stuff and create, an online version of you or your products or your services. Gives you better targeting. If you're using a personal Facebook account to launch your ads, running your main account as a place, as a contact place, can actually be a little bit overwhelming from a user's standpoint. And you don't want, probably you don't want to see your customers seeing all the wall posts from, your high school buddies and stuff like that. So having that group page is a way to keep your business section over there on your business section. We can promote multiple products at once with ease. If you have group pages, multiple products, each product will have its own group, okay? And you can sell totally different stuff. Basic info. Facebook is going to walk you through creating the basic, the group page itself, and you just have to enter in some very basic information during that process. Let's look at that a little bit. The basic info, the group name, maybe a description, the type of group. You can put in some news, stuff like that. Just basically form-filling kind of stuff. And then you can customize the group if you want it to be open. This has to do with access. Open means anybody can join the group and anybody can invite others, right? If you want to get a big following, obviously this is the one that you want to do. Closed. This is going to give you the opportunity to have just an administrator approve new members joining. Now, anybody else can actually search for the group, and they can see the group description, and they can, make a request to join it, but it's going to have to be approved by the administrator. And then the last one is secret. This is going to hide the group from searches. Only people that are invited by the admin are going to be able to get in here. So if you've got maybe some kind of exclusive promotion or something like that you want to make available just to a very tight-knit group of people. And after you got your page up, you want to invite people. You want to promote these pages as much as you possibly can. Get a link on your website. Add it to, even business cards, email signatures, any other advertising that you do. Consider putting something in there about your group page. You might even consider doing a little bit of advertising on Facebook just to get people to join your group, because having people in that group, it's almost like, it's a lot like actually having a list, an email list. Now, interacting with fans, this is pretty important because, again, Facebook is a very social environment. So we want to participate and make it a two-way thing. Promoting sales. We can let our fans know about, fans and friends about promotions that we've got going on our website. We can just write on our wall, bam, it's all there, they see it. Use Facebook as kind of like a little mini blog to let people know about helpful information. Write to them, about something that they might enjoy reading that would benefit them. Create a community. Enable posting on your wall for members. That way, they feel like they are a part of the community. So they come to your group page and they're able to actually put comments on there. They're going to love that, okay? Build up relationships. When you create a fan page, you're kind of trying to instigate back and forth communication. What you're going to find out is that you are building relationships. You're creating a sense of loyalty, camaraderie. And what that's going to blossom out to is word-of-mouth advertising, probably both on Facebook and off of Facebook. Use your fan page to generate buzz. If you can get members to, kind of get them interested in promoting and telling their friends about your fan page and getting them to join and things like that, you can really get things growing very, very quickly. And in order to do that, you might consider doing maybe some kind of contest for who can get the most people to join, things like that. Use your page to build credibility and add value to your standing, to your ads, to your information, everything. Once your fan base grows, your credibility for your ads is going to go right along with it. Make sure that you take the time to interact with your members. If it's a one-way street and they're always posting to you and you don't reply back to them individually, then you're not going to have that community environment, and you're going to essentially not be building any of the things that we're trying to build here that are going to add to your credibility. Now, understand that with great power comes great responsibility. And Facebook can easily turn into a double-edged sword, meaning that you can get hurt. If you don't live up to your advertising promises, if you don't keep that good relationship going with your community, that can come around and stick you pretty good. So keep that in mind. Cross promotions. Use Facebook everywhere on your website. If you've got blogs somewhere, if you maybe put it in your signature on forums that you're a member of to get people to come back to your Facebook page, everywhere that you can, let people know that you are on Facebook. So definitely link to it from your website. Connect it with other social accounts like Twitter, okay? And even use Facebook on business cards, because nowadays, seriously, everybody is on Facebook. And a lot of people, let's say you're a brick and mortar place, you got your business card, you put Facebook on there. A lot of people, they'll come in, maybe get a business card, and they want to check you out on Facebook. They want to see what you're all about. And it's a great way for them to do that. So it's a good opportunity for you. If you're an affiliate marketer, I got good news for you. You can get into multiple niches and have several different advertising programs going at the same time. Multiple streams of revenue. Create different pages, different groups for different products. Excellent targeting. Make sure that you do find out about the niche that you're working in, okay, so that you can create a good experience for those people. Affiliate marketers are notorious for not fully understanding everything about the niches for the products that they're promoting, because it's so easy to promote products that you know nothing about. A good idea, though, is to find out a little bit more about the people that are in that niche, because that'll help you with your targeting. Make sure that your landing pages are professional. We don't want, umpteen bazillion pages of sales copy as your landing page. You just want something nice and clean that's direct and to the point. Keep it attractive and make sure that they know what it's all about. Research your products. This is because your reputation's on the line here, folks. Remember, Facebook, you're there, okay? And unless you want to create a new Facebook account every week under a different name, you're going to want to make sure that you're promoting products that come through, okay? And remember, even as an affiliate marketer, this is your business. Treat it that way. Your efforts are for your business. So you want to put some pride into what it is that you're doing. Don't just, go out there and blah, blah, blah. I don't care. I just want to make a quick buck. That's not the way to do this long term. It might work for a little while, but it's going to quit. And in conclusion, Facebook will allow you to save money on advertising. It allows you to reach 500 million users and growing. It allows you to fine-tune your campaigns to target the exact demographics of what it is that you want to look for, what kind of person is going to be interested in your product. It allows you to fit your advertising to your budget. You can develop relationships with fan pages and cause your following to grow virally, gaining word-of-mouth advertising. And all of this is going to yield a higher return on investment with the increased exposure that you will no doubt attain from Facebook. Now remember, there's no set rules. There's no secret formula that's going to make everybody successful on Facebook. You're going to have to do some trial and error. You're going to have to be patient and, as you get results, make some tweaks and changes to make your campaign the absolute best that it possibly can be.